looks so good. Turn a little bit more. Okay. Straighten out. Straighten out. Hello. We might be here for a minute, bro.
Fuck. Make sure I should get my shit.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another YouTube banger. It's your boy Kyle from Aestatic. Thank you for tuning in. I'm here with Nana, Jeep, Nana. So we about to get washes in preparation for this big ass meet we're going to. Big BBC meet that we're going to, man.
Dying. Finally here. Fucking camera.
What up, brother? Hi.
My boy, how you feeling?
We just made it. Whole crew parked all together. Yes, sir. Looking good. Look at that background. Oh my god. Shit fire. Let's look at some of these sexy ass cars. What you doing with that? Hey.
Not deep breath, man.
That's fire. What?
Spend more time with Tiffin University. That's nice. One day, Kyle.
One day. You like what I see? That's my boy. What up, man? What up, man? How you doing? How long you been here? Look at my boy 5-0, man. You on YouTube, bro? You on YouTube, man? What's all done to it, man? Talk to me. Okay. Okay. This shit sounds rowdy, man. Oh my god. Alright, bro. I'll link up with you later, bro. SI. Soupies. Z. And the Infinity. Oh, Stefan. Where you come from?
I'm from with Nick. He didn't know where to go.
Evo. STI.
Ooh. And the more body kid.
Please. We got an MDX in here.
Okay then,
Wow.
Okay then, bye.
Sheesh. That's my boy. What up, bro? Say what's up to YouTube.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
Yes, sir. Oh, that's Matt. See, this one's better than mine, bro?
Yeah, bro. You got the canards, the little carbon fiber front plate.
You like it better than mine? Oh, y'all something.
He got a little bit of camber too. You ain't peep.
Oh,
He got a
yeah.
little bit of camber too.
Yeah, Fitment kind of.
Like, I think his boost gauges are like functional.
That boy Matt.
Yeah, all of us.
GTR? Nah, kind of mid.
You thinking?
Yeah.
It's Ohio versus
My bad. Yeah.
you're not with your crew, bro?
Bro, I got stuck over there, bro. I had to talk to some.
I'm trying to work, bro.
Oh, my bad.
You just look like you drink prime.
Right hand drive too? Wow. That's fire. Right hand drive, bro. Holy fuck. That shit was fire, bro. Who got aux, bro? Huh? Who got the aux, man?
Me.
Oh.
Oh, hold on, let me change it.
Turn me up, hey. Turn me up, hey.
Sir, shit like way slow.
You did not just say that.
I mean,
Nah, you got him, bitch. You got him, bitch. You got him mad.
Ooh, look at that sunset.
Oh.
You know it's about to be scary?
What's up, bro?
What I'm about to do to these wings.
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
It's going down.
Ooh, nice and hot.
Oh, thank you so much. Wing delete.
Wait,
What that?
wait, what's this right here?
That's the Carolina Reaper one. It's the hottest one. It's so good, bro. I promise.
We got on
That's
boneless because our dick is small.
Back.
Oh shit.
So good, bro.
Man, shit light, boy. I eat that for breakfast.
Good eats, y'all. Good eats.
Family. Family.
Hey, Nana, what you got? Last one?
Nice.
Oh, what?
What's the double one?
Wait, I gotta see that. I gotta see.
What is that?
What is
that? Oh, dog.
Y'all ready? No, Nick out of pocket with that one.
Are they racing?
Hi.
Hello.
Like your car?
I love your car.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a male stripper.
Oh!
I was 18.
OnlyFans?
Yeah, I'm only 19.
I knew I seen you from somewhere.
Yeah, I got a few films. Johnny Sins, J Mac, Jason Love. Yeah, you know me.